Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to welcome you all to the IEC Stakeholder Forum of August 2026. The previous Stakeholder Forum was held in July 2026. We continue to draw important lessons and interactions during these engagements. They provide a platform to discuss key issues on current activities of the Independent Electoral Commission. Common ground is often reached during our interaction with the stakeholders. However, we do sometimes experience divergent views and unresolved concerns on few instances. This reflects the intricacies of a democratic environment. It is important that stakeholders raise genuine concerns to help build on the gains made during the previous electoral cycle. The Commission will continue to make such collaborations with all stakeholders a key priority during this electoral cycle and beyond. The focus of today's presentation and discussion will be on the activities succeeding the 2026 supplementary registration of voters. As part of this process, an appeals and objection window was opened so that concerned registered voters lodge appeals or objections on their inclusion in the voter register or deletion of names of others in the register. The Chief Justice has appointed revising court magistrates to hear these cases at the various administrative areas. The revising court magistrates will undergo an orientation process by the judiciary, after which court sittings will commence. The provisional voter register generated during the supplementary voter registration in 2026 will then be added onto the 2021 voter register. This will be done once the revising courts conclude. On that note, I thank you for your participation in this meeting, which will enable us to share important information with the stakeholders. In the same vein, the stakeholders can seek further clarifications or raise their concern. The Commission has an open door policy. I urge everyone to seek accurate information from the Commission. This will help curb misinformation on electoral matters. Distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, the Commission would like to reassure the electorate and all its stakeholders of its continued commitment and resolve to deliver free, fair, transparent, and inclusive elections. The IEC bears a constitutional and legal responsibility to ensure that all eligible Gambians are enfranchised, that all processes to procure and protect the franchise are managed openly and transparently. Any reasonable request from the public that does not adversely impact the substance of the process of the franchise will be favorably granted by the Commission as the electoral authority. I thank you for your kind attention.